Well, right now we are at Gravelly Point Park, right across from the Washington Monument, and we're taking Zachary on a bike ride. Zachary just learned how to ride without his training wheels yesterday, so thought this would be a great second ride for him. Perfect view, right across from the Capitol over there, across the street, and he is doing a wonderful job. Good job, Zach. You like it out here? Rounding the corner, and we got the Jefferson Memorial and the Washington Monument coming into view, and a couple of boats in the water. So this is awesome, and the president's helicopter's been driving back and forth up the Potomac, and we're gonna have a great ride. Now I just gotta teach Josiah how to do this so we can all come out as a family. Wow, Zachary is doing awesome. He hasn't stopped once. You're doing a great job, bud. Wow, he's doing great. All right, out of here.